Hurry. I'm gonna hide. This is the money. I think he hit the head. Amore, you hit the head. What? You hit the head. Huh? The head is hidden. He couldn't see it. Okay, sit on the floor. Somebody else is coming. Sit on the floor and put the head in front of your knees. What? Go ahead. Baby, stay there. More people is coming. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to hide or they're not gonna stop, okay? There was a guy, but he stopped on the other side. He stopped, baby, went inside that door.